Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone is on the Wi-Fi you want the Nest Mini to join. Bluetooth and location should be enabled so automatic discovery works. Open the Google Home app and sign into the same Google account used before. Plug in the Nest Mini and wait for the pulsing light. This signals it's ready for setup. Once you see the device in the app, tap it to begin the network change process. This avoids unnecessary factory resets and keeps your routines intact. Next, you'll tell Home to forget the old connection so the speaker can join the new one. In the device card, tap Settings, choose Wi-Fi, then forget this network. This clears old credentials. Now use the plus icon, select Setup Device and choose New Device. Home will search. When the Nest Mini appears, follow the spoken setup prompts, pick your new SSID and enter the password. Make sure you allow any permission requests. They let the app push network settings to the speaker securely. Finish by waiting for the confirmation tone and a green check in the app, then try a quick voice command to verify online features. If it fails, reboot your router and power cycle the Nest Mini by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then retry setup. If problems persist, try connecting to the 2.4 GHz band. Some older devices have trouble with 5 GHz. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and set up from scratch, because that removes stubborn confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.